Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on your DOOGEE Fire 7. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the media and the call volume in these settings. So, open up your phone. And after that, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings. Now, here, after going into the settings, you need to go over and select the sound and vibration. Here, make sure that media and call volume are boosted up to the right, so this is the max setting for both of these. Now, what you guys want to do next is disable Do Not Disturb mode. So it's also in the sound and vibration, it's right here, and make sure that it says turn on now right here, so it's not turned on. You need to disable it, because there was a glitch back in the day whenever you had Do Not Disturb on, that it not only did not show notifications, but it also lowered your volume. So make sure to turn this off. And after that, what you guys want to do is clean the speaker grills. So this can also be an issue for your low volume, because whenever there's dirt inside of them, they can block the connection and they may just not work properly or play properly. So after cleaning your speaker grills, what you guys want to do is restart the phone to refresh any minor issues. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now tap restart and tap again to restart the device. So now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys once it's done. Now, after we restart our phone, what we want to do is we want to go over and update our software to fix any audio glitches. So we were waiting for the phone to turn on. Now let's go over to the settings. And in the settings, we want to scroll down all the way to the bottom. So tap on the system. Now go to the system update. And here you need to make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection that's stable. Now click check for updates, and it will check for updates automatically. Now my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it, because it's very important to keep up with the latest version. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.